Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today is my birthday and this is nothing what I planned to do on my birthday. So I don't know what happened. I wanted to be creative and I came up with this makeup. I guess I'm feeling pretty green today. I use this shade from Dominic Cosmetics Latte 2 eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I guess I'm feeling a little bit green today, even though it was a very good day. August 11. Anyway, so if you guys want to see this get ready with me birthday edition, I tanned yesterday. I did a lot of stuff yesterday, so yeah, I can't do it all in the same day, so that's that. Anyway, let's jump into this video.
Let's start with nails. Actually, I did my nails a few days ago. I don't love them, but they're cute. Next, I dyed my hair and I fake tanned. I'm going to try to speak very low because it's 1 in the morning.
What happened? Micellar water works just fine to remove the dye out of my skin. This is what I'm using. I also applied Vaseline on my skin before I started to apply this dye in my hair, so that helps a lot. So as I'm waiting for this to cook in my hair, I'm going to apply this Bondi Sand Self Tan Eraser because my tan is looking a little bit cray and I want a fresh tan. So this is what I'm going to do right now, and probably I'm going to tan tomorrow because I want to give my skin a little break, a few hours break. So see you later. Currently tanning, and now I want to do that whitening, teeth whitening strips. So yeah, let's do it.
Of course I forgot to do the whitening strips, but I was proud that I got to wash my brushes and my sponges. And I have a little dancey for you. And finally, my birthday. This was my grocery shopping outfit. I just went to buy some seafood. We love seafood. The list wasn't that long, so I just bought a few things. Then I went home. I had some carpaccio for lunch. I love carpaccio. And then I sat down to do my makeup to get ready for the day. And as I said in the beginning, I was very creative that day. I love how this makeup turned out, but it wasn't what I had planned for my birthday. Anyway, I haven't included the whole tutorial because I wanted to keep it short, but if you want me to post the whole tutorial of this makeup look, I can totally do that. Anyway, I'm going to let you enjoy this cute song. As I said, I love how this turned out. So after I finished filming this tutorial, I had some me time. Obviously, I took some pictures, I filmed a few videos, TikToks, you know, I was feeling myself. So we started with a few glasses of sparkling wine. this looks fire. So yeah, I started to get tipsy very fast, which was surprising to me. I also bought some fake caviar because the real one is expensive. And this was my cake. I obviously didn't bake that because I was busy doing my makeup. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So cheers to love.
Oh my goodness, who is she? Bitch, I don't even recognize myself. I have so many flies in here, they're ruining my vibe. Anyway, so hey guys, this is the next day. So yesterday was my birthday, and actually this is more like the look I had in my mind, but somehow I wanted to be creative, so I created that makeup look yesterday. I was very happy with how that turned out. But this is what I had in my mind, like my hair slick on the back, this top that I bought from AliExpress. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I don't want to flash you guys because you know, the girls are out, but I'm going to show you real quick how this top looks. I hope you didn't saw that. Thanks for my mirror. So this is the top. Also the bra is from AliExpress, and oh my goodness, isn't this a look? I love this top so much. I don't like the large opening on the neck, but it's okay. We even have pearls. That's my chair in these pants. We even have pearls and diamonds on the sleeves, also on the back. Wow. And I think I paid 16 euros or so. Also the bra is fire. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I had in my mind. So I was doing some TikToks. You guys follow me on TikTok because I'm starting to get the hang of it. I really love it lately, and I love that you can be so creative. I'm still trying to figure out some transitions because I feel like I'm repeating my transitions, but anyway, I'm working on that. So yeah, follow me on TikTok because I have a few new TikToks, and also I'm going to post this look there. And I was thinking, I don't think I filmed my outro yesterday, and I said, you know what, let me just hop in here real quick, show my besties the look I had in my mind for my birthday. I haven't filmed this look, but if you guys want me to film it, I will totally do it because it's so easy. All I have is glitter on my eyes. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for the birthday wishes. You guys are amazing. I love you so much. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe. Let's be besties. So yeah, I guess that's it. I'm going to go and finish my TikToks now, and yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Oh my god, you guys, can you believe this? I love her. Anyway, I wanted to thank you guys once again for the birthday wishes. You guys are the sweetest. And this is the only 11/11 on August 11 I saw that day. I was so ready to capture it on my phone, but I got distracted. Anyway, bye guys.